The stain on your ceiling is rarely directly beneath the opening in your roof. Water can travel along decking, rafters, insulation, or pipes before finally dripping into the room, so searching straight above the stain may lead you to the wrong repair. Start inside the attic during daylight, but only if the space is safely accessible. Look for darkened wood, damp insulation, rusted nails, mold-like growth, or trails left by dried water. A bright line of daylight may reveal an opening, but many leaks are too small to produce visible light. If the leak appears only during rain, inspect the attic while it is raining without touching wet wiring or stepping between structural members. Use a flashlight and trace moisture upward to its highest visible point. Mark that location and measure its distance from a chimney, vent, or exterior wall so it can be found later from outside. Pay closest attention around roof penetrations and transitions. Failed flashing around chimneys, plumbing vents, skylights, valleys, and wall intersections causes many leaks. Missing shingles matter, but a roof can leak even when every visible shingle appears intact. Also check whether overflowing gutters or blocked roof drainage is pushing water beneath the roof edge. Wind-driven rain may enter around siding or windows and appear to be a roof leak. Never climb onto a wet, steep, icy, or damaged roof. Binoculars or a camera from the ground can reveal lifted shingles, damaged flashing, or debris without the full risk. Once you identify the highest wet point, document it with photographs and inspect the corresponding exterior feature after conditions are dry. The key is to follow the water upward, not simply patch the ceiling stain where it finally appeared.